Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Shami, the team's resource manager.
I'm Arfa, the team's graphic designer.
I'm Haziq, the team manager and the team manufacturing engineer.
I'm Shafiq, the team's design engineer.
We are Vencera Racing! Our team name Vencera is the Spanish conjugation for the word victory. We choose this as it represents our ultimate goal in this competition, which is to win. It also serves as a motivation for our team members so that they can stay focused during preparations.
Moving on to our team logo, first and foremost it forms the letter V, which stands for Vencera. Next, the logo has a slight partition which divides it into two parts, representing our engineering and enterprise units. Without either one of these parts, our logo would not be able to form the letter V. This indicates that without any one of our members, our team would be incomplete and we would not be able to be victorious. This puts forward that in any situation, teamwork is the most important factor to ensure that we achieve success. Lastly, we put in shadows into our logo to indicate that even with everything we show you as a team, there is still more to us as an individual that we do not show you.
The center of gravity of the car is taken into consideration as to produce a stable car in terms of symmetry and mass. We prioritize the center of gravity of the car to reduce the turbulence, as the forward motion will become a sideward motion, thus the forward motion energy will be reduced. Other than that, the energy produced during the launch must also be used wisely, as it is used to push the car in a forward motion. But the kinetic energy used can also be lost due to drag and friction. By designing our front part of the car parallel to the chamber in terms of height, we were able to overcome the after-launch effect whereby the front part of the car is in touch with the tracks, thus producing friction due to wrong energy transportation. This will decrease the speed of the car.
The main function of the front wing is to prevent direct heat from the air particles towards the front wing, which can disturb the rotation of the wheel. So the front wing designed to follow Bernoulli's principle will state that a steady flow of fluid, the pressure of the fluid decreases when the velocity increases, and also the converse. Being fluid has the same characteristic as water and other liquids. Therefore, the front wing design using an aerofoil shape to follow the principle, and at the same time, direct the air particle upwards, thus creating downforce at the front part of the car.
In fluid dynamics, the velocity of the fluid increases as it passes through a constriction, according to the principle of mass continuity, while the static pressure decreases according to the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. Therefore, any gain in kinetic energy due to the increase of velocity as it passes through the constriction is balanced by a drop in pressure. We use this concept in the design of our underfloor by slightly increasing its height to the rear pod. This created a low pressure region in the rear section of our car, which in turn created a downforce as if it was sucked into the ground. Our side pods are designed such that the turbulence formed in the exclusion area are directed out as it disturbs the performance of our wheels, therefore creating curved side pods.
One of the functions of the rear wing is to control the airflow at the rear zone of the car. Thus, a swept-back rear wing is designed. This is to prevent the flow suppression at the rear wing. This flow suppression will result in the formation of the vortex, which then will increase the drag force. By using this swept-back rear wing, the air particle will flow according to the shape of the rear wing. This will reduce the vertical flow, which will increase the performance of the car. We designed several car designs and visual testings on all the designs. After a series of testing, we now have our final car design. Move to the front part of the car, the front wing assisting the airflow more upward upon reaching the front wheels. This will reduce the angle of attack from the air particles that hit the wheels directly and at the same time increase the efficiency of the wheels. Next, the center part of the car. The side part is proven to eliminate the turbulence from the exclusion zone to the side part of the car. This will create a smooth and steady airflow from the front zone to the rear zone of the car. Last, the rear part of the car. The improved design of the rear part is proven effective, where we can see a good airflow is channeled through the rear part of the car. And for the rear wing, this part clearly shows less production of vortex since the vertical flow is prevented. All these parts were assembled to create the best car for the team. with a drag force of 0.982 Newton, we are sure that this particular car will cruise to the finish line in a blink of an eye.
Since enterprise is also important in this competition, we need to have strategies on how to get sponsors and market our team. Firstly is through door to door. We will present about our team and hand them our brochures. Secondly is by phone. It is very useful as we can do this anytime and contact many companies at once. We will introduce about our team and F1 school. Thirdly is by email. We will send our proposals, our brochures and our past achievement so that they can sponsor us.
We identified two opportunities for us to market our team. First is the NIS PERMATApintar exchange program. This is a student exchange program between Malaysia and Kazakhstan. We took this chance to promote our team, the competition, and did some brainstorming with the Kazakh students. Secondly, the ASEAN Plus 3 program. This program is joined by teachers from all over Asia here in Malaysia. So, we took this chance to present our team and also the competition that is very rich in STEM values. These teachers were very amazed and they hope that this competition will be in their country also someday. Without money, progress will be very hard to make. So, we need to find sponsors and fundings. Our sponsors include UZMA and our school itself. For your information, UZMA is an international oil and gas company specializing in Malaysia. Fundraisings will also help, such as selling supporter shirt and also selling foods at night.
F1 school helped me nurture my hidden potential in terms of leadership, disciplines and many more. For example, as a team leader, I need to make sure all the work is done as planned and at the same time achieving our goals to World Finals.
This competition has helped me to expand my interest in arts to the digital world. As the team graphic designer, I need to be able to think creatively to create designs for my team. Besides that, I also need to identify, analyze and solve problems with these designs so that these designs meet the expectations of my teammates.
By joining F1 schools, I am able to develop my social skills and also get to know a lot more friends and people. Besides that, I am no longer afraid to talk with older people and is more confident in socializing. Moreover, I learned how to manage my money just like how I manage the team's resources.
From F1 in school, I learned to translate all my knowledge in physics into a product which is the car. Other than that, I learned to be more meticulous in everything I do because in the designing process, every small detail must be taken into consideration.